Hey guys, what's up? Goofy Bastard here, and today we are in the shed. We're in the shed today because I'm going to do my first install video. Now this install video is a very, very simple one. The way I'm going to do it, it's simple. So, we are today installing a Powersport. Now, came directly from Kawasaki OEM parts, and it's basically, you know, cigarette lighter plug like we use in the cars or whatnot. But I decided to go with the OEM instead of going with a cheap USB plug. I went with the Kawasaki version. A little bit more expensive, but we know what happened when I went with cheap parts. And if you don't know what I mean, check out this video right here when I bought a cheap headlight. Find out how that turned out. So, after I got this, I was going through the directions, and I knew how to do it already, but I looked at the directions, and if you're going to do this, do not follow the directions, because directions are going to tell you that you need to take the whole front part of the fairing off to get into this, okay? You do not have to do that. So there's only two tools you'll need, and that is a regular size Phillips head screwdriver and a smaller Phillips head screwdriver. That's all you're going to need to install this. To install this power plug. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do, instead of having to take the whole fairing off, we're going to take the glove box out. Open it up. And there are 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. It's the only thing you need to pull out. Okay. So you pull off the glove box, pull out the glove box, set it off to the side right now. Set them off to the side. Okay. So now, in here, I don't know if you can see, you're going to have your power leads already in here from Kawasaki. Okay. Now, to pop out this plug right here, got to pop out this plug right here, which is where the power socket's going to go. So to do that, you have to go in here, and it's a Phillips head. So you loosen that. See, so what it looks like. It's on the back, and it just holds the dummy plug in. It's simple. Take that out. We're not going to use that anymore. We're not going to need that. Alright. You take the power port, and you pull this little nut off the back, and then you slide this in. Now, this has a notch right here that will go right here. So you just slide the wires through, line up that notch, then you put the ring back on. Tighten it down. take the wires, and you pull them down a little bit, and all you do is connect it all up. And if you got fat hands, there we go. Can be difficult to get in there if you got fat fingers and fat hands. Alright, so I did have a USB plug that I'm going to use. And so plug that into it. Like so, and when I turn it on, it lights up. It's as simple easy as that. Then you just put the glove box back in, and you put your 3 screws back on. And that's a simple, easy install. Like I said, do not pull the fairing off to do this install. There is absolutely no reason to do that. I don't know why they would want you to do that when you can do it just like that. So,
like I said, put the screws back in.
that's it, guys. So, that is all you have to do to put in the Powersport for charging your devices. So, until next time, my friends, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Peace.